They say the best gadgets cost a fortune. But what if I told you that's not true? In this brand new series, we're uncovering amazing gadgets that cost less than $50, yet they'll change how you live, work, and play. These aren't just gimmicks. They're clever, practical, and surprisingly fun tools you'll actually use every single day. From smart little devices that make life easier to cool upgrades that feel futuristic, we've handpicked the best of the best, and all without emptying your wallet. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and get ready, because you're about to discover 10 incredible gadgets under $50 that you'll want to add to your life right now. Number 1. Key Smart Compact Key Organizer. Let's start with something simple yet genius. Think about your keychain right now. Messy, bulky, and always poking holes in your pockets, right? The Key Smart Compact Key Organizer takes that chaos and transforms it into a sleek, pocket-sized gadget that looks almost like a Swiss Army knife. Instead of a jingling ring, your keys fold neatly inside, making it comfortable to carry and almost silent. But here's the cool part. You can expand it with add-ons like a USB stick, a mini flashlight, or even a bottle opener, turning it into an all-in-one tool. Imagine pulling this out at a friend's house to open a bottle, and everyone's asking, "Whoa, what is that thing?" It's small, stylish, and super practical, the kind of gadget you'll use daily without even realizing how much it's improving your life. Number 2. DESH Mini Waffle Maker. Now picture this. It's a lazy Sunday morning, and instead of rushing out to buy breakfast, you whip up perfect golden waffles right in your kitchen. No mess, no hassle. That's what the DESH Mini Waffle Maker does. This tiny powerhouse heats up in minutes and makes waffles that are just the right size for a quick snack or breakfast. And here's where it gets fun. It's not just for waffles. You can make hash browns, cookies, or even mini paninis with it. It's so easy to use that even kids can join in. Plus, its compact size means it fits anywhere, even if your kitchen is short on space. This little gadget doesn't just cook food, it adds fun to your mornings. Number 3. ANKER PowerCore Slim Portable Charger. Imagine being out all day, maybe at work or traveling, and suddenly your phone hits 1%. No outlets in sight and panic sets in. Enter the ANKER PowerCore Slim, a portable charger that's slim enough to slip into your pocket, but powerful enough to fully charge your phone multiple times. ANKER is known for reliability, and this gadget is no exception. It's built to handle daily use, charges fast, and saves you from those phone-dying emergencies we've all experienced. It's the kind of gadget that doesn't just sit in your bag. It saves your day when you need it most. Number 4. TP-Link KASA Smart Plug. Here's a gadget that makes you feel like you're living in the future, but without the high price tag. The KASA Smart Plug turns any regular outlet into a smart one. Plug in a lamp, coffee maker, or fan, and suddenly you can control it from your phone or even with your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. Picture lying in bed and turning off the lights without moving an inch, or scheduling your coffee to start brewing right before you wake up. It's automation made simple, no expensive smart home setup needed. For under $50, you're adding convenience and a touch of futuristic living to your daily routine. Number 5. HIDRATE SPRAK Smart Water Bottle. Staying hydrated seems easy, but how often do you actually drink enough water? The HIDRATE SPRAK Smart Water Bottle takes care of that. It not only tracks your water intake through an app, but also glows to remind you to take a sip. Yes, it literally lights up to say, "Hey, drink some water." It's fun, it's interactive, and it actually works. Over time, you'll find yourself drinking more without even thinking about it. Plus, it keeps water cold for hours, making it perfect for work, the gym, or long days out. It's not just a bottle, it's a little hydration coach you carry everywhere. Number 6. JLAB Go AirPop True Wireless Earbuds. Wireless earbuds usually come with a high price tag, but the JLAB Go AirPop breaks that rule. For under $50, you get surprisingly clear sound, deep bass, and a comfortable fit that stays put whether you're at the gym or commuting. They also have a long battery life and a compact charging case that slips easily into your pocket. These aren't just cheap earbuds. They're a reliable, everyday companion for music, calls, or podcasts. If you've been holding off on going wireless, this is your low-cost ticket to a tangle-free life. Number 7. FANCII LED Lighted Travel Makeup Mirror. Ever tried doing your makeup in bad lighting? It's a nightmare. The FANCII LED Travel Mirror solves that problem with bright, natural LED lighting that makes any space feel like a makeup studio. It's compact, foldable, and perfect for travel or quick touch-ups throughout the day. You'll never again have to guess whether your foundation is blended or your eyeliner is even. It's a small gadget that adds big confidence to your daily routine. Number 8. BITDO Zero 2 Mini Bluetooth Gamepad. Gamers, you're going to love this one. The BITDO Zero 2 is a tiny Bluetooth controller that works with phones, tablets, and even Nintendo Switch. It's perfect for gaming on the go or playing retro emulators with real controls instead of awkward touchscreen buttons. The best part? It's so small it fits on your keychain, meaning you'll always have a controller ready when boredom strikes. It's fun, portable, and surprisingly comfortable for its size. Proof that big fun can come in small packages. Number 9. EMBER Temperature Control Travel Mug. There's nothing worse than sipping your coffee and realizing it's gone cold. The EMBER Temperature Control Mug, Light Edition, fixes that by keeping your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. It's sleek, simple to use, and makes every sip enjoyable, whether you're at work, on the road, or just chilling at home. It may seem like a luxury, but at under $50, it's an affordable way to add a little everyday comfort to your routine. Number 10. EUFY HOMEVAC H11 Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Finally, let's talk about messes. Crumbs on the couch, dust in your car, pet hair on your desk. They add up. The EUFY HOMEVAC H11 is a lightweight, cordless vacuum that makes cleaning these little messes effortless. It's powerful enough to pick up debris in seconds and small enough to store anywhere. Keep one in your car, your office, or even your bedroom. You'll find yourself using it constantly. It's one of those gadgets that seems small but makes a huge difference in your daily life. And there you have it. 10 cool gadgets under $50 that prove you don't need to spend big to upgrade your everyday life. Which one was your favorite? Or maybe you've already got one of these in your pocket right now. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next episode in this series. Trust me, episode 2 is packed with even more genius gadgets you'll love. Until then, keep it smart, keep it cool, and I'll see you in the next one.